tasting. There's one curry style wine and two classical one. And then we have wine tasting with the master classes to make some Georgian.
Yes, so you think which is your favorite wine tasting in our batch?
Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Travel Dates. යාළුවනේ අද අපි ඔයාලව ගෙනියන්නේ grapes වලින් wine extract කරන factory එකකට. මේ factory එකට යන පාරේ තමයි අපි මේ ඉන්නේ. මේ යන අතරමඟදී අපිට බැටළුව රංචුවක්ම හම්බුණා. මේ බැටළුව රංචුව කන්ට්‍රෝල් කරන්නේ හෝස්ට් පිට යන මොනස්ටරි. මේක මාරම අමුතු එක්ස්පීරියන්ස් එකක් වුණා. ෆැක්ටරි එක ගොඩක් ෆොරිනර්ස් ලගේ ඇට්‍රැක්ෂන් එක ගන්න විදිහට තමයි හදලා තියෙන්නේ. මේ ෆැක්ටරි එකට ඇතුල් වෙනකොටම ජෝර්ජියන් ට්‍රැඩිෂනල් මියුසික් එකකට ලිසන් කරන්න හම්බුණා. හරිම ලස්සන අමුතු එක්ස්පීරියන්ස් එකක්. ඒ වගේම අපිට ෆොරින් යාළුවෝ සෙට් එකකොත් එහෙදි මීට් වුණා.
Choose the packages. Wine tasting, we have two types of classical varieties wines, which are semi-sweet and dry. Then we have two traditional curry style wine tasting, which is only dry. Then we have mixed package, which includes three types of wine tasting. There is one curry style wine and two classical one. And then we have wine tasting with the master classes to make some Georgian dishes.
Surprises are going on. Let me introduce one of our very famous band. Actually, is going to introduce Georgian traditional music. Let's greet them. So let's come closer, go inside, and these people are going to show us and let us hear some of the Georgian traditional songs. Yeah!
Samia del Cristo in Sarcegoruri
Take a group photo with these guys. Let's go and take a group photo for you, and then we start the tour, okay? Make a line with them. Some of you sit, some of you stand.
ඔන්න යාළුවනේ අපි දැන් හදන්නේ ෆැක්ටරි එක ඇතුළට යන්න. අපි බලමු ජෝර්ජියන් වයින් මොන වගේද කියලා. එහෙනම් අපි යමු.
Cheese you can dip it in the oil and the taste it. The first you are going to taste white dry curry style wine, which name is Tsvane. Tsvane is the name of the grape which grows in Kakheti area here. When you produce curry wine itself always give
යන්නේ වයින් ටේස්ට් කරන්න. normally වයින් ටේස්ට් කරන්න per person 40 ලැරි යනවා. මම ඉතින් වයින් බොන්නේ නැති හින්දා අයියා වයින් ටේස්ට් කරන්න ගියා.
14 and alcohol content.
sweet, sour, bitter කීක ටේස්ට් වලින් වයින් ටේස්ට් කරන්න පුළුවන්. වයින් ටේස්ට් කරන්න අපිට samples දෙනකොට මේගොල්ලෝ cheese නුත් bread නුත් serve කරනවා. මේ ෆැක්ටරි එකේ හිටපු ladiesලා අපිට ගොඩාක් information දුන්නා. يعني මේ bitter, sour taste කොහොමද මේ වයින් එකට එන්නේ? ඒ වගේම ඒ අතීතයේ Georgian citizensලා grapes වලින් වයින් extract කරගන්න use කරපු method, ancient කට්ටිය use කරපු tools එක එක දේවල් අපිට information ලබා ගන්නත් පුළුවන් වුණා.
Except of thanking to our dear Anna, who is hosting us here with, not alone actually. So we are going to bless anybody who created the wine. We don't talk about the nations, we don't talk about the human beings from any part of the world, but we want to bless any person or anybody from any part of the world who started to clear up the fields from the stones and from the rubbish. And then for those people who planted the vineyards and the grapes on those cleared up fields. And those ones as well who participated in the hard work actually to grow the vineyards up. And then everybody who even participated in the harvestation and the creation of the most holy drink in our country and in the world, which is the wine. And then for those people who are so much in love with this drink that they are enjoying with it, and then they are
මම ඉතින් වයින් බොන්නේ නැති හින්දා මම තවා කැමරා එක හොල් කරගෙන හිටියේ. අයියට chance එක හම්බුණා වයින් ටේස්ට් කරන්න. ටේස්ට් කරන අතරේ අයියට ගොඩක් යාළුවෝ තම්බුණා යාළුවෝ හදාගන්නත් යාට පුළුවන් වුණා. එයාට තමයි මේ එක්ස්පීරියන්ස් එක පැද්දාත්ම වැදගත් වෙන්නේ.
grapes and oil is really famous in the facial things. And one day I was having a tour here, like a big group of people, and we were explaining to them this is very nice for the facial, for hair, for everything.
Which is
At the end of the tour, whoever has some oil left there, but you know what? They made me do the same. And in the bus we were smelled like grapes.
Alcohol content. It says both. Where are you from, guys? So nice. It's first time in Georgia. Have nice trips, nice times. Caucasus in Georgia.
So, usually for the second wine, we have one chosen wine which we have to try. But now Anna gives us a favor actually to choose. So we are having the difference in between of the semi-sweet and the dry, right? So still, first of all, thank you so much for giving us opportunity. And for those people who want to have the semi-sweet or the dry one, okay? Let's divide ourselves. And first, raise your hands who want to have the semi-sweet wine, red semi-sweet. If there is anybody, red semi-sweet, 1 and 2. And red dry.
Everyone else.
It's all about the red. Once again, how many
This type of semi-sweet wine as well. Now we are going to taste firstly the semi-sweet wine. What's the name of this? It's a semi-sweet. In microwave. And other people want to try. It's the more the price.
My dear friends,
Yes. So, what do you think? Which is your favorite?
wine tasting
That one?
in our package. So if we would like to try something more like extra glasses for tasting, means you can stay in here and they will open another bottle for you. And for 1 glass of wine, this is already 8 lari per glass. Also, I have to tell you, like the wine, like the red semi-sweet which you have tried here, outside to the exit is around like 25 lari or even less.
Semi-sweet?
Yes.
16 girls.
So 16 lari for the full bottle. 8 lari is 1 glass if you drink. Am I allowed to?
I like it.
Why not?
interesting experience එක වගේම තමයි ගොඩාක් exciting experience ඔයාලත් එක්ක අපි share කරන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා. ඉතින් අපිව subscribe කරලා notification bell එකත් click කරලා තියන්න අමතක කරන්න එපා. ඒ වගේම අපේ වීඩියෝ එක බලලා අපේ වීඩියෝ එකට ආස නම් ඒ වීඩියෝ එක පිළිබඳව comments දාන්නත් අමතක කරන්න එපා. අපිට ඒක ගොඩාක් වටිනවා. ඉතින් යාළුවනේ අදට අපි ගිහින් එන්න. ගොඩාක් ස්තුතියි. අපි travel dates